2007 Toyota Corolla 4-door sedan. This vehicle features the following equipment: 5-speed manual, 1.8 Li4, 16 VMP FIDOHC, front-wheel drive, front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, in-dash single CD player, AM/FM stereo, surround audio, privacy glass, light, wheel diameter, 15, wheel width, 6, external temperature display, tachometer, power remote driver mirror adjustment, power remote passenger mirror adjustment, dual vanity mirrors, daytime running lights, mechanical remote trunk release, bucket front seats, rear bench, fold forward seat back rear seats, tilt adjustable steering wheel, speed proportional power steering, suspension class, regular, interior air filtration, manual front air conditioning, tire pressure monitoring system, cargo area light, max cargo capacity, 14.